Uy, hindi na siya nag-focus. Was good. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Casey Gardner and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm here again coming at you with another tech vlog, and we'll be reviewing the GoPro Karma Drone. So today, as you can see in the title of this video, we'll be going through some stuff and I will tell you if you should actually buy the GoPro Karma or should you not buy this drone. So what we'll be going through today is what's inside this bag, the reason why I bought this Karma, the price, the gimbal, the startup, the main keys, how long does this drone charge and how long does this drone last, the settings, and finally the features of this drone. And also, what would the review be without some comments, suggestions, and other stuff. Grabe, my camera is blocking the sun, you know, because I'm only using natural light. So what we have right here is the GoPro Karma. So as we open the bag, what we have right here is the GoPro Hero 6, the remote control, the chargers, the handheld gimbal, the extra propellers, and finally the drone. So basically what's inside the GoPro Hero 6, the remote control, the handheld gimbal, some extra propellers, the charger, and the drone. So why did I actually buy this drone? There are a lot of high-end drones in the market, given a lot of specs, given a lot of price range, given a lot of features of other drones, given that other drones are compact and handy. The main reason why I bought this drone was actually for one reason only. That is to start with my vlogging career, because it is actually two-in-one. Two-in-one. Why? It is because you could use this GoPro Karma as a drone, as you know, it's a drone, so it should fly and be a drone. And also, it's actually a detachable camera which you could use your handheld gimbal or handheld stabilizer to shoot some vlogs. So I believe that this GoPro Karma was best for me in starting my vlogging career. So the price of this GoPro Karma. So the GoPro Karma can range between 50, 60, and even 70,000 pesos, depending on what GoPro Hero series that you are going to get. So what I bought was the GoPro Hero 6, which was the latest of all the Hero series. Price is actually approximately 68,000 pesos. So I'm going to show to you one of the reasons why I bought this GoPro Karma. One of the main features for this GoPro Karma is that it is detachable and you can use it as a handheld stabilizer. So what you're going to be needing is the GoPro Karma stabilizer and also the end, which is also used in the drone. So what I'm going to be using right now is the GoPro Hero 6. Should first remove the side door, just there. Attach it here, just carry siya. Just need to push in a little bit. There. So just close this and then press the power button. Yan. This gimbal, I'll be straight to the point. It is a very good stabilizer. Like, I was running in one of my vlogs. I'll be showing to you.
No? Picture kami na picture, no? Naiwan na kami nung start.
And like, even though I am running like hell, this made the video buttery smooth. Like, that does not even look like you're running. Yes. So for the startup of this GoPro Karma drone, what we have right here is the drone itself. Let's just put this back in. Lock. So here are the landing gears. Just out, and then the propellers. So to turn this on, just press this for some few seconds. And for the remote control, and just simple as this, press this for some few seconds. There. So to start this up, make sure your drone is already connected to the controller. As simple as swipe up. Oh, swipe up. So the main keys for this, to fly this drone, is very simple. For the left joystick, press it like this, it will go up, then down. When you press this, it will spin left, then spin right. And for the right joystick, up means forward, down means backward, then right means go to the right, the left means go to the left. So to charge this drone and this controller, we'll be needing this charger, this. It takes approximately about an hour to charge or more, about 1.5 if it's really drained. And then its flight time is said to be 20 minutes, or as you can see here, I don't know if it's focusing. As you can see, it's 19 minutes. Pero actually, it's just sadly 15 minutes or even less if you're actually flying.
Make sure Karma has a clear view of the sky.
Depending on how fast you fly this or how sporty you fly this, because if you drive like crazy, you'll be really draining this battery fast. So for the settings of this Karma, there are,
Acquiring GPS location.
for the modes, there are video, photo, and time-lapse. And then in capture mode, there is video and looping. For the resolution, 4K, 2.7K, 1440, 1080p, and 720p. Let's just use the 1080p. For the frames per second, there are 240, 120, 60, 30, and 24 frames per second. And for the field of view, there is linear, wide, and super view. Let's just use the linear. Also, there's the zoom here, zoom in, zoom out. Also, the auto low light, pro tune, shutter, EV compensation, minimum and maximum ISO limit, white balance, sharpness, color, and then flight audio is muted. I usually mute this because unless you want to hear, you'll be muting that one. So what would the drone review be without the actual flight test? So let's go. And so now we're outside of the house to test the GoPro Karma. So to open this, turn this on, and while that's opening, let's turn on the controller. And now the GoPro Karma control is open.
Ready to start. Press and hold the start-stop button.
So there are two ways to fly this drone. You could actually just put it on the floor or grass. You could hold the Karma if you're in a place where you don't really have much space to launch your drone, like beaches, or if you're actually in a boat. I actually did that when I went to 100 Islands, like this. So what I'm going to show to you now is the basic launching.
2, 1.
If you press the left button, it will tilt left, tilt right, then when you press this, it will go up or go down. And then if you press this button, it will go right, and then go left, and backward, and forward. Also, you have this option, this joystick. Just tilt the camera downwards. Another great thing for this GoPro Karma is that it has its auto shots. You have follow, watch, droney, cable cam, orbit, and reveal. So let's try that one by one.
Karma is following.
Like wherever you go. So let's try the droney. This is actually one of my favorite features.
2, 1.
So it is a great feature when you're actually in a place and you want to reveal your surroundings. So the next one is the cable cam. Just need to fly to your first point, then press plus,
Fly to your next tap.
then will just go back and forth to your points. So you could add more than 2 points. Yeah. This will be the review.
1.
And finally, the orbit.
3, 2, 1.
What's happening? Just the speed. Go fast. So to land this Karma, landing in place button,
Landing
then
in place.
it will automatically land. Boop. But I really have to be honest with this GoPro Karma. There are some times that it just don't want to fly. I was once in an event where I really need to fly this immediately and it just decided not to fly. I don't know why. I keep restarting it. Just took me time. Right now I'm going to show to you how to launch it with your hand. Press
3, 2, 1.
just to make sure it won't cut you. Tap the auto take off. It was really scary at first, but once you're used to it, it is actually an easy breeze task. But really, I've got to be honest with you. GoPro Karma is not really the best drone in the market. In the past few months that I have been using this drone, I have experienced some landing problems. Like when I was in a crowded place, it just wants to land like on where it is. Luckily, I was able to reconnect with it. Actually, in this kind of drone with its size, it actually does not have any sensor. So you should really be an expert pilot to fly this one, because you could just bump into a tree or bump in even a wall. Also, it is really heavy. So finally, the real question, should you or should you not buy this GoPro Karma Drone? Drum roll please. So if you want both a vlogging camera and a drone, yes, get this drone. But if you already have a vlogging camera, maybe just go for a cheaper drone that could actually fly better. Yes, fly better. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment below, click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine. Coming out. Bye!